Good morning, guys. Today we're going to replace the charge port for the car booster that is broken very badly. So I'm just going to use the I can replace without the heat gun because this area it's because the area is very sensitive. It has a battery right there and I don't want to play around with the battery. It's very easy and simple method. I just put a lot of as you can see it here, you just put a lot of soldering wire and melt it. That's the best way you can remove it. So the plastic part remains inside, so we can remove that also, like nothing like this. It's very easy to replace, and now we have to clean it. Just use that and clean the surface. And the charge port is here, which I ordered from Amazon. Now just have to clean it a little bit. So it already has a little bit of solder on it, so I'm not going to apply more soldering on it. So okay, now I turn around and I need a little bit of flux on the back end, just a tiny bit. Here, that's more than enough. Okay, so make sure you stay away from the battery. Yeah, it's saved. I'll make sure. There you go. It looks to me very strong connection. Let me charge the device. It just took me 2 minutes. Okay. Make sure so it was micro USB. Okay. Yeah, it's charging. Okay, perfect. So as you can see it here, it started charging, and it's got 4 LEDs here. It's got 4 LEDs. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the charging level. So it just started now, and it was very easy, and I will show you. The older charge port was broken like this, as you can see it here. Very simple and very easy. Thank you very much for watching video, and please thumbs up and subscribe my channel to support my videos. Thank you very much.